Good. Well, this is a great place to come, and I was amazed as I walked in this morning and looked at the clarity of the stream, because that is a sign that this watershed is really a protected place. We were just down at the river, and the river was very high and very muddy, and the water here was completely clear. And that's a great sign that this is a protected place and should be like all streams. But most of the time we see after a big rain, they're muddy, and that's because the watersheds are not protected. We've got too much pavement and the water runs off and then it washes dirt and we have muddy streams. But here it falls into the ground and it sinks in slowly and does what it's supposed to do, protects the watershed, the plants grow, and the water is very clear.
So just tell us why you're here. This is your first time, I think?
This is the second time I've been here, and I remembered it from the first time because it was really, really pretty here. And we saw an indigo bunting here, and we saw a Louisiana stream water thrush here, and those are both fairly rare. And I remember this was a wonderful place. So I'm a sort of beginning birder, but I know that the people I was with were very excited about what they saw here. So it's a good place to come.
Yes, of course we come here every year to do a bird count for Valley Forge Audubon Society. And actually McKaig Park is one of the best spots that we have.
This is what I wandered into. That's where I'm going to leave off right there. What's different, guys?
Yellow, that's right. That helps yellow trail, right?
One of the best places in the Hawaii world is the caves.
The cave.
Wait, is it over there?
Ready to fly over the bridge?
Come on!
All right. Go ahead.
Yeah. To the top of that. Yeah. And actually, yeah. Oh, what we might end up doing.
That's my alarm clock. I was like,
I think this is an absolutely beautiful park. It's great that it's right behind a school, so it can expose young children to the enjoyment of nature for a lifelong of appreciation of the environment and exploration and curiosity. It's absolutely beautiful here. Have been some people walking here just enjoying on a beautiful Saturday morning, so we're very happy to take part in this.
Yeah, and I love that all ages are participating today. It's not just, the older generation. There's much younger than us, and we're in our 20s. So it's really great that every generation appreciates this.
Okay, ready? Lifting with legs. 1, 2, 3, up. All right, good. All right. Take small steps. If anyone trips,
No, we don't know what's going on. So we should have been out the beach if you still come back. Remember the episode we had here before? How horrible it was? You wouldn't come back? Now to call Stacy, remember?